Hello, welcome to my channel. There's something so special about homemade apple strudel. This homemade apple strudel is filled with juicy apples, warm cinnamon, and a buttery crunch. It will fill your kitchen with the most beautiful smell. Here's how I make mine. Here are the ingredients for the dough. These are the ingredients for the filling. And these are the ingredients for the assembly. Let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour, butter, water, and salt. Mix with your hand and then knead the dough until elastic and smooth, about 5 to 8 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball. It should not feel sticky. Wrap it with plastic and then refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the filling. Peel, core, and cut 5 to 6 medium Granny Smith apples in fourths and place them inside a medium bowl. Dice the apples and place them in a large bowl. Zest half a lemon and then squeeze out the juice. Add the lemon juice, the zest, cinnamon, and coconut sugar to the diced apples. Mix well with a wooden spoon. Cover and refrigerate while you roll out the dough. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Dust some flour on a large piece of parchment paper. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and unwrap it. Dust some flour on the dough, then roll it out into a rectangle measuring 18 by 13 inches or 46 by 33 centimeters. Lift the parchment paper with the rolled out dough and transfer it onto a large baking tray. Gently press the dough with your hands. Now it's time to assemble the strudel. Brush the surface of the dough with melted butter at room temperature. Sprinkle, then spread the plain breadcrumbs evenly, vertically along the center, leaving a 2-inch or 5-centimeter margin at the top and bottom. The breadcrumbs will help absorb the moisture from the apples. Spread the prepared apple mixture over the breadcrumbs. Using a sharp knife, cut 7 slits along each side to form 8 strips. Make sure the top and bottom strips are wider so that they can fold over the apple filling easily. Crisscross the top side strips over the apples and then fold the dough over to close. Continue crisscrossing the side strips over the apple filling. Once you reach the center, rotate the tray and continue crisscrossing the bottom section. Add the half teaspoon of milk to the egg yolk. Mix it well. Brush the strudel with the egg wash. Sprinkle with cinnamon and coconut sugar. Bake for 55 to 65 minutes, depending on your oven, until golden brown. Allow the apple strudel to cool, then dust with powdered sugar. Slice and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.